still going to the baseball game?
Get that away from me, Chris! Stop it, Meg!
Here he is, the evil monkey. Do you believe me now?
Holy crap!
It is real.
Oh my God! I thought I was the only one!
Meg, we're doing Chris's monkey.
Well, we can't keep it in my room because there's an evil monkey that lives in my closet.
Peter, we're in Asian town.
At least I don't have to worry about the evil monkey here.
All right, Peter, we're closing in. Get ready to fire.